IMRX stock analysis and IMRX stock prediction. This is for next week and onward. What I'll be doing here is just showing you my exact play, and as the only guy in this space has done 42,000 videos over 5 years. I actually documented them. I've seen what's printing me money, what is not. Specifically with this, with Immuneering Corporation, I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm looking to take it further up. Like, I know it was, you know, hovering around my demand here, but unless I really saw that shift, I was really not going to buy, and I didn't today. So moving in onward, if there is no sort of double break, I'm not buying again. So yeah, that's how IMRX is looking like. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Even like here, mate, I have previous receipts. But yeah, man, like one result back in the disc. But unless I see some sort of a double break, bro, I'm not buying. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.